The Baganda and Matooke by Judy Ssemugabi Bakyayita, sponsored by Peromani.
We the Baganda love the Matooke. Call it green bananas if you wish. Greenish outside, creamish on the inside. Soft and yellowish when cooked. We the Baganda love the Matooke.
Matooke is Baganda's staple food. It grows in the garden called olusuku. Its stem is called echtoke. We get ebiyayi from the stem. We get obukedo from the leaves. We also get mizingonyo and sanja. We the Baganda love the Matooke.
Peeling Matooke is messy and sticky. You can cook it as omuwumbo. You can cook it as akatogo. Both are Baganda delicacy. We the Baganda love the Matooke.
Omuwumbo is the steamed Matooke. Akatogo is the boiled Matooke. Omuwumbo is very delectable. Akatogo is also delicious. We the Baganda love the Matooke.
Cooking omuwumbo is a process. You peel the Matooke, you wrap the Matooke, you steam the Matooke, you mash the Matooke. We the Baganda love the Matooke.
Matooke have many types. We have musukara, we have muvumbu, we have nachitembe, we have mulangira, we have chibuzi. We the Baganda love the Matooke.
Matooke goes well with binyebwa. Matooke is yummy with enyama. Matooke is fingerlicious with enkoko. Matooke is delicious with echenyanja. We the Baganda love the Matooke.
Katogo is faster to cook. Muwombo takes longer. Ripe Matooke is menvu. Menvu are tasty when cooked. We the Baganda love the Matooke. Proudly Ugandan for God and my country.